Good morning, class 1. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about Chapter 1. This is a revision video of Chapter 1. So, the name of the chapter we all know, that is our surroundings. So, we had already discussed that the area where we live, that is our house, our school, the road through which we pass, the playground where we play, and all the areas, all the places where we go in our day-to-day life or daily life. These all things and these all areas form a part of our surrounding or forms our surrounding. Like at home, we are in our bedroom, we are in our study room, we are in our kitchen, we are in our garden, we are in our vegetable garden, we are moving towards school by the road. So at the time of moving along the road, whatever things come close to us or present in close to the road, it is our surrounding also. In the school, the computer lab, science laboratory, our classroom, bench, desk, our school garden, school playground, or the playground in our locality. So these all things is our surroundings and we have to take care of them. The next thing is comes the neighborhood. That is the area around our house is called our neighborhood. So in a neighborhood, that is the area around our house, what are the things we must need? First of all, we need a market to buy things of our need. Second, we need a school for our children's, for us. We need a police station. If any illegal activity is going on, police will come and maintain law and order. We need a hospital for if we get injured or if we suffer from some disease, so we get better treatment in the hospital. And there are so many things we need in our neighborhood, or a good neighborhood must need all those things. All these things should present in our neighborhood. Now, how to maintain our neighborhood? The first thing is to maintain the cleanliness and green in our neighborhood. We have to plant trees, a lot of trees, as much as possible. Keep on planting trees. These trees gives us oxygen, fruits, flowers, and help us to maintain our health. Next thing, throw the garbage at proper place, that is in the dustbin. Maintain cleanliness in your surrounding. The next thing is neighbors. The people who are living close to in our neighborhood, they are called neighbors, or the people who are living close to our house, they are called our neighbors. So to maintain the condition in our neighborhood properly, we have to plant a lot of trees. We have to maintain cleanliness in the area by throwing dustbin at proper place, and also tell everyone that throw the dustbin at the proper place in the garbage. And we have to maintain that very less amount of pollution in our neighborhood. If anyone not following the rule of government to maintain the pollution, we have to take care of that too, because it is our duty to maintain cleanliness in our neighborhood. So class, this is the first chapter, our surroundings, we discussed today. We had already discussed 2-3 times. This is also a revision lecture. See this video again and again. You can see the previous lectures also, because these are present in the, these are already there stored in the YouTube. You can search and you can see. So class, have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.